Hey, what is up guys, Edwin is here and welcome to the next episode on my channel. Today I want to show you how I use Notion to be more productive and stay in focus. So if you are new here, hi, I'm Edwin and I'm 18-year-old IT student in TEB Edukacja Gdańsk in Poland. So let's jump into this video. Okay guys, so we are starting on my welcome to the dashboard page, and this is my control center with links to other Notion pages and my to-do list for today and link to my Google Calendar, which is right here. Okay, so first page we have social media, and it's the most important page here, I think, because here I have all my scripts, ideas, and descriptions, subtitles for my YouTube videos, Instagram photos, TikTok videos, for my Polish podcast, shout out to Futurecast, and for my Twitch live streams. Of course, I have here my calendar with uploads, where I schedule some things like videos, podcast, Twitch live streams, TikToks, and when I upload a photo on my Instagram, not Edwin Piątek, so link is in the description. For example, when we go into YouTube, we have my Edwin Piątek channel, and here I have ideas, scripting, recording, editing completed, and uploaded videos. So this is an example for today, but I will delete it, move how I use Notion to be more productive to recording, because now I am recording this video, and here you can see I have ideas where I have something like 5 things that I hate in Poland or 5 things that I love in Poland. So if I want to create something new, I have ideas and I create cool video, and I can move it to scripting when I decided to write a script to this video. Of course, it don't have this icon of camera, and I'm not assigned to this video, so I can go here, and it's something like small page. I can open it as a full page, but I want to just click here for my template. If you want to know how to create templates for Notion, write me down in the comment. I will make another video especially for Notion. So we have here, and then we have this icon. I'm assigned to this video, and I have just my title, which I type here, my thumbnail, which I upload in this small box. I have my script, which is intro, talking head, and shot list, which I need to create this video for you. And then when this video is ended, I have a place for a link of this video, so I paste here a link of uploaded video, and I know that's here, and I can quick move into this video to see how I created something in this video. Next page is my school page. Here I have another control center, but this is for my school related things like web links for my Libres and Moodle accounts. I have a to-do list only for school things. I have my lecture schedule and lecture notes, and I have, of course, exam notes page here. For example, when I want to create some notes on my lecture, I go, for example, to this, then I check English, and I create a page. And in this page, I don't have any template because I'm super lazy. So I add icon of this yellow ledger. Then I write a date of this lecture, for example, and then I've made one of the biggest mistakes on this channel, and I muted my microphone by pressing slash, and to the end of this video you will hear audio from my phone, which is my camera. For example, this date, then I can upload the cover, but I don't do this, and I can write my notes right here. Moving on, we have a page which is only for my freelance related things. If you don't know, I am a freelancer, graphic designer and video editor. So here I have my contact, where I have a QR code with my phone number and email and my photo and something like a phone contact, which you can add by scanning this code. Then I have clients, where I have just names and contacts to my clients, which I have as a graphic designer and video editor. And I have portfolio, where I can go and click this link to go to my portfolio page. So yeah, DM me on Instagram and I will talk with you about this. And the last page which I have is my More Life page, which I explained more in one of my previous video. So you can go here and just look at this video and you can know what I said about this page. But it's something like super productive to-do list with things for YouTube, school and my life admin things. I can just add a cool video as YouTube, sign it but by now, and I have it here in More Life. Then I have a consume, where I store all of my books which I read in 2021, for example. It's not a lot, but I decided to read 10 books in 2021, then 20 in 2022, and then in 2030 I will have 100 books for a year. So I don't know how it will be, but I want to try. Of course, I have podcasts, because I'm a very big fan of podcasts. I have links to all of these podcasts here. This is in English, this is in English, and this one is in English. All of another podcasts are in Polish, so if you are from Poland, pozdro. Alright guys, so that was my Notion tour. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe my channel, leave a like button down below, comment my video how you use Notion every day, and see you in the next one. Peace!